here's a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial on how you add and style your text in Canva for beginners. First, head on to your Canva account, and once you're here, go to the search bar and type in the design you are working on. For this example, let's just use any blank canvas right here so we can focus on the text. Now that we have our blank canvas, head over to the left panel right here and click on text. Now you'll see options for adding a heading, subheading, or a body text. But here's a shortcut. Just press T on your keyboard to instantly add a text box. Now once your text box appears, double click to type in your message. Now to change the font, head over to the top toolbar right here and click on the drop down where it shows your current font name. Canva has hundreds of fonts, but always go for something readable. For example, I'm going to use Anton for bold headings right there, and Open Sans for a clean body text. Now to style your text, go to Effects right here, and this toolbar is just going to pop out. Here you can add shadows, background colors, neon glows, and more. I recommend using background effect if you want to make your text stand out from a photo or a busy background. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. Now, if you want to add flair, go to Elements right here and then search for shapes like rectangle or a circle. Then layer them behind your text. To do that, place your shape onto your text and then go to Position right here and click on Backward so it sits behind the words. And that's how you add your text and style it in Canva for beginners. I'll see you in our next video.